Welcome to Donnie's Auto World. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting three-wheeled motorcycles on the market, the 205 Can-Am Spyder. Whether you're an experienced rider or new to the world of open-road adventures, the Spyder delivers an exhilarating experience with its unique blend of stability, power, and comfort. The 2025 Can-Am Spyder continues to push boundaries with its advanced design and innovative technology. At first glance, its aggressive styling and aerodynamic frame make it clear that this machine is built for performance. With a low center of gravity, wide front stance, and precision handling, the Spyder provides confidence-inspiring control, whether you're carving through winding roads or cruising on the highway. Under the hood, or rather, beneath the bodywork, the Spyder is powered by a high-performance Rotax engine. This liquid-cooled, fuel-injected powerhouse delivers smooth acceleration and plenty of torque for an effortless ride. Whether you opt for the sporty F3 model or the luxurious RT, you'll enjoy a responsive throttle and a semi-automatic transmission that ensures seamless shifting. The advanced traction control and ABS braking system work together to enhance safety while maintaining an exciting ride. One of the standout features of the 2025 Spyder is its cutting-edge technology. The large, full-color touchscreen display offers intuitive access to navigation, music, and vehicle diagnostics. With Bluetooth connectivity and smartphone integration, staying connected on the road has never been easier. Plus, the new adaptive cruise control and upgraded suspension make long-distance touring more comfortable than ever. Speaking of comfort, Can-Am has designed the Spyder with both the rider and passenger in mind. The ergonomic seat, spacious footboards, and adjustable handlebars allow for a customized riding experience. If you're taking a passenger along, they'll appreciate the plush seating and built-in backrest for extra support. And let's not forget the ample storage, perfect for weekend getaways or daily commutes. Whether you're a thrill seeker looking for speed or a touring enthusiast in search of comfort, the 205 Can-Am Spyder delivers on all fronts. It's a unique blend of motorcycle excitement and car-like stability, making it an ideal choice for riders of all levels. If you're ready to experience the road like never before, it's time to get behind the handlebars of a Can-Am Spyder. Thanks for tuning in to Donnie's Auto World. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Stay tuned for more exciting reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.